Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Which of Tecno recently released phones might be the cheapest among them so far? Well, for this year 2021 alone, Tecno don't release so many phones from most of their phone families. So Spark family, Pop family, and Camon family all get different phones when they release inside of them. We get Camon 17, we get Phantom X, we get Povo 2, Spark 7, and Pop 5. When they release these phones, all of them still get different variants when they release under them. For example, when they release Pop 5, they also add Pop 5P and Pop 5 Go Edition. And when they release Spark 7, they add Spark 7P and Spark Go 2021 Edition. All these phones get different storage capacities. Some they run on Android 10, while others they run on Android 11. The design of these phones they exceptional for some, while others just they normal. But which of these phones they cheapest among all of them? Our number one for Tecno phones recently released phones when they cheapest na Tecno Pop 5 Go Edition. Them release them for September 2021 and the price na just 35,000 naira. So far for 2021, na Tecno's cheapest Android phone na be that. The phone they run on Android 11, it gets 1GB RAM with 16GB ROM. The link to the full review and unboxing in the description section for bottom, in case you won't watch them. So when it comes to price and function, Tecno Pop 5 Go Edition carry first for the cheapest. Our second cheapest phone for Tecno newly released phones this period, now the Tecno Pop 5 1GB RAM variant. Now still the same price with the Go Edition when be our number one so far. I assume say the Pop 5 Go Edition cheap past this one despite say two of them are the same price. Because that Pop 5 Go Edition they run on Android 11 and this one they run on Android 10. The Go Edition they more recent past this Pop 5. So it is safe for me to conclude say the Go Edition offer more value for the money past the Pop 5. To further explain why this phone takes a place, when they release this phone new, people when buy the phone immediately start to complain about them. For example, see what some users talk about them. This one say, actually, I don't know what's wrong with the phone. I just bought mine last 2 weeks and it kept going off and rebooting at interval. And sometimes it's off and I have to wait for like 30 minutes before owning it back. And it's very slow. I mean, what kind of phone is this? It's just a waste of time and money for me. And see waiting somebody respond to waiting this person talk. Because it's trash, you shouldn't buy that, but you should buy iPhone 6s. It's way better than Tecno. I guess it's the same price as Tecno. Another user say, this phone is heavy and it's always lagging. Then another person comes to talk say, I am using the Pop 4 and it's more better than Pop 5. And you see, our number one cheapest phone, although not the same price with this number two cheapest phone, you don't get much complaint after they release them, like this Pop 5 and the way many people complain about them. So Pop 5 remained the second cheapest phone when Tecno recently released. Our number three, now the Tecno Pop 5P. The price now 42,000 naira. Well, I don't really know whether not only me I didn't notice them. Why they say all the phones when Tecno recently released and when they very cheap come from this Pop 5 family? Well, I don't know, maybe Tecno just decides to design the Pop 5 family for under budget users, people who not to get enough money to buy more expensive phones. Now, if you wonder, say because these three phones they cheap, then na good phone. Well, now we see what it make phones they make sense. For phone to make sense, then it go get enough storage capacity, the camera quality go dey good enough, the battery capacity too go dey strong, and then it go use better network like 4G and 5G networks. You go also consider the CPU of the phone and then the design of the phone too, and not to talk of the display of the phone too. Now, if you expect all these things from phones when Tecno they sell 35,000 naira and 42,000 naira, then the truth is you do on your own. These three phones they run on 1GB RAM and their camera quality they very poor. For some of them they get just 5 megapixel camera, and I think not only the Pop 5P now get 8 megapixel camera for front, but overall their cameras are no go area. To add to RAM, they're not dey support 4G, so they work with only 3G networks. And if you talk about their design, really, it tells the whole story as to why the phone they ship. Okay, so if I not tell you the 3 most cheapest phones when it be say Tecno recently released, you will not know about them. So subscribe to this channel, like the video, and help us share them with your friends. And remember, let me bring to you Tecno 3 most cheapest recent phones.